Child abuse is a grave concern that demands the collective efforts of communities to create a safe and nurturing environment for children. Prevention is a key component in addressing this issue, as it involves not only reacting to cases but actively working to stop abuse before it occurs. This essay explores a comprehensive approach to preventing child abuse in the community, encompassing awareness, education, support systems, and policy initiatives. Raising awareness. The first step in preventing child abuse is to raise awareness within the community. Many instances of abuse go unreported due to a lack of awareness or understanding of what constitutes abuse. Community-wide campaigns, workshops, and educational programs can help educate parents, caregivers, educators, and community members about the signs of abuse, its impact on children, and the legal consequences. By fostering an environment that encourages open discussions about child abuse, communities can break the silence surrounding this issue. This awareness not only helps in early detection but also creates a stigma-free space where individuals feel comfortable reporting concerns. Educating caregivers. Providing education and support to parents and caregivers is crucial in preventing child abuse. Parenting classes, workshops on stress management, and resources on child development can empower caregivers with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the challenges of parenting without resorting to abusive behaviors. Parenting education should include information on positive discipline techniques, communication strategies, and stress coping mechanisms. By enhancing parenting skills, communities can create an environment that promotes healthy child development and reduces the risk of abuse. Establishing support systems. Building strong support systems within the community is essential for preventing child abuse. This includes creating avenues for families to access social services, mental health support, and counseling. Parenting support groups, community centers, and helplines can serve as valuable resources for parents and caregivers facing challenges. Communities can also establish mentorship programs where experienced parents or community members offer guidance and support to those facing difficulties. These support systems not only provide practical assistance but also create a sense of community and reduce the isolation that can contribute to abusive situations. Implementing school-based programs. Schools play a pivotal role in preventing child abuse. Implementing comprehensive school-based programs that educate both students and educators on recognizing and reporting abuse is crucial. These programs can include age-appropriate curricula on personal boundaries, safe touch, and respectful relationships. Additionally, schools should promote a culture of trust and communication, encouraging students to confide in teachers or other trusted adults if they feel unsafe. Training teachers and school staff to identify signs of abuse and respond appropriately is vital in creating a protective environment for children. Fostering community engagement. Engaging the community as a whole is essential in creating a protective environment for children. Community events, workshops, and forums can bring residents together to discuss child welfare, share resources, and strengthen social bonds. When individuals feel connected to their community, they are more likely to be vigilant and proactive in preventing child abuse. Local businesses, religious institutions, and community organizations can also play a role by supporting initiatives that promote child safety. By fostering a collective sense of responsibility, communities can create a protective shield around children and deter potential abusers. Advocating for policy changes. Advocacy for policy changes at the local, regional, and national levels is instrumental in preventing child abuse. Communities should actively support and contribute to the development and enforcement of laws that protect children and hold abusers accountable. This includes advocating for improved child protective services, stricter background checks for individuals working with children, and increased funding for programs that support at-risk families. By actively participating in the policy-making process, communities can influence systemic changes that enhance child protection measures. Conclusion: preventing child abuse requires a multifaceted and community-driven approach. By raising awareness, educating caregivers, establishing support systems, implementing school-based programs, fostering community engagement, and advocating for policy changes, communities can create a protective environment for children. It is crucial for individuals, families, educators, and policymakers to work collaboratively to ensure that every child grows up in a safe and nurturing community, free from the shadows of abuse. Through concerted efforts and a shared commitment to child welfare, communities can effectively break the cycle of abuse and pave the way for a brighter, healthier future for all children.